Hey everybody, it's Chris Pierce
and Michael Reel
with the PR Properties Real Estate Group coming at you yet again with another gorgeous listing. Number 281 at 1840 160th Street, nestled right in sunny South Surrey. This truly magnificent 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom, double-wide manufactured home is almost 1,700 square feet.
Why own a condo when you can own this detached property for the same price?
Absolutely, in a fabulous location. We are really excited to show this to you guys. Come on in and take another look at another great property. Oh man, it's so peaceful back here.
Yeah, Chris, this patio is amazing.
It sure is.
Thank you so much for joining us on this video tour.
We are so excited to show you yet another incredible listing of ours, guys. Call us, text us, email us, you know what to do. Just reach out to us and we will be happy to show you this truly beautiful home. Thank you so much and we'll see you soon.